whānau mua te rau Room 9. Ko Mr. C tōku ingoa. My name is Mr. C and welcome to the Room 9 news for Rāapa, the 6th of May. Haere mai, hoki mai, and welcome back after a bit of a cold day yesterday. 2 walks, 1 bike ride, had to wear the gloves. Okay, tēnei rā, today we've got some great photos and news to share. Kia ora, thank you for the good news, keep that coming in. And first up, let's go over to Kupu Te Wiki. This week's word is laundry. So, whare, horoi, kākahu. So, whare, the house of washing clothes. And that's the wash house, the clothes wash house, the laundry. Okay, let's talk about what I got up to yesterday. I got a great message from Hunter and Josh Porteous and Hunter's little brother Reed. They want to share some photos of their walk around Ivan Wilson Park. And they've got great getting out of the house and getting a bit further afield. And they might go to the control gates today. So cheers. I went to Ivan Wilson Park yesterday on the bike. Beautiful place. Speaking of that I made, and that I should check out the Outdoor Boys on YouTube. And there's clever guys making knives and handles and axes, all kinds of things. Great. And here's a picture of Josh and his brother Daniel now on the trampoline in the rain and the wetsuits and the bubbles. Lots of slipping and sliding fun. And the bubbles, like the bubbles in the bubble, those guys are the cleanest guys out. God, boy. Well done. What great adventure. Thanks for the photos. Keep them coming in. Much appreciated. Okay, on to health and safety news. The Prime Minister still saying look after your bubbles, just like Josh. The ones you make, the ones you're living in. And no new cases yesterday. So another 1 million points to Room 9. Weather for today looks pretty good. And so I think I'm going to sneak out. Do maybe 1 bike ride, 2 walks, maybe some disc golf. Okay, BFG news. Big friendly giant of, here we go, another couple of chapters. But not as long as Harry Potter. That's just how it is, different books. I'll email through the link and I'll put the link in the text box below. Okay, birthday news, no birthdays today in Room 9. But you better tell Mum it's George Clooney's birthday today. I bet she forgot. So she might have to send him a text. I'm popping around to his place this afternoon, going to have a few cupcakes and celebrate the big, I think he's 58 today. Alrighties, no new Shut the Box news, and because I'm about 10th place now, it's all or nothing. So here I go. I'm going to spark up the old technology. This must be us. Yes, here we go. Oh, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Oh, a 3 and a 3. I know that. That's 6. Oh, 6 and 2. 8. Looking good. Looking good. Oh, 5 and 5. I know that's 10. I'm going to go 7 and 3. I hope that doesn't come back to haunt me. Oh, 12. I'm going to go big. Here's how I'm going to go. I could go 9 and 1 make 10 and 2 make 12 and leave the 4 and the 5. That's what I think I'll do. So 9 and 1 make 10 and 2 more. Oh, so close. 4 and 2 makes 6. Oh well, my score's 45. Not too bad. I'm probably moved up to about 8th place now. Still no certificate for me. But that's it for today from the Room 9 news team here at the Channel 9 studios. Ka kite pōpō. See you tomorrow. Haere rā, go well and stay classy, Room 9.